In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Adobe Illustrator. Keeping Illustrator updated ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. To update Illustrator, open the Windows search bar and type Adobe Creative Cloud. Select the Creative Cloud app from the search results. Once it opens, you may be prompted to sign into your Adobe account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, go to the Apps section from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of all Adobe apps installed on your system. Locate Illustrator in the list. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button here. Click on that button to begin the process. Once it is completed, the Update button will change to Open. To confirm you're using the latest version, click on the three dots from here and select Other Versions. If the latest version is installed, it will be listed here. Updating Illustrator regularly ensures you have access to the latest tools, performance improvements, and security updates. And that's how you can update Adobe Illustrator.